Hi, in this video, we're going to cover a new curb adapter tool that we've added to rmadden.com. This tool will help you with rooftop replacements and determine what type of curb adapter that you need. So first, you're going to sign into your rmadden.com account and navigate to the account dashboard page. On the left-hand navigation, you'll see a new button that says curb adapters. Click on that and it will take you to the new Curbulator widget. I'm going to start over a new replacement job here. The first thing that you'll do is um, tell the tool if there's a curb adapter already on the roof. I'm going to say no. You'll enter the old model number for the rooftop that you're going to be replacing. Add the curb pattern, and then you're going to add the new rooftop model. If you don't know the rooftop model, you can click this button here. I'm going to go ahead and type in the new carrier replacement model. It tells you that a curb adapter is needed, and so you can click this green button that says get pricing. Your contact information from your website account is going to automatically populate here. You can edit this if you need to, and then you'll just include information about the job name, the zip code, the number of rooftops or curb adapters that you're going to need, and then you can add additional details in this message box and even send a copy to yourself. Once you fill out this information, you'll click this green Get Pricing button, and this will send this quote request to our inside sales team who specializes in commercial and rooftop jobs. And they will work up a quote for you and make sure you have everything you need.